So the principle is the same. So you get a piece from the front. How I do it is I get a piece from the front, and I split the back two into two. So the front piece, I bring it behind, and the middle piece I bring to the side. And I switch over the left piece to the middle from underneath. And then the right piece goes underneath. Take a section and join that piece from underneath. And then pull the middle one to the side. And do the same thing. Take the left side to the middle. Take some hair from the left side and join underneath. So you're doing everything underneath. So this goes under. You take the hair from the right side to join under as well. And you carry on the left side underneath. You get the hair section underneath, it joins it. So the right side goes under. You take the hair from the root under. Neaten it up if you have to. Tighten it and switch underneath. Join it underneath. Hold. Get the right side under. Get the hair from the bottom. Join it up. What I like to do is neaten it up by just running the comb through the sides, and it just neatens it up. Then you can apply mousse on the whole thing, and it will just hold everything in place. We have the Dutch braid. Hope you like this video, and comment below if there's anything else you want to see or learn. Thank you.